Tanzi Station, Tanzi train station. Hi guys, welcome to my vlog again. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to go to Taroko Mall and Lalaport. I'm here now at Tanzi train station. As you can see, there, Tanzi train station. So I'm going to show you how to get there because someone commented, I forget his name, but thank you for commenting and for asking how to go to Taroko Mall. So I'm going to show you how to go there and what to ride. So we're going to ride. I'm here now at the Tanzi train station, so I'm going to ride the train going to Taichung city, going to Taichung train station. So let's go sa go. So guys, as you can see, our train will going to arrive 12:10 p.m. there. If you're going to travel here in Taiwan, you should download this kind of app so you will know when the arrival of the train, and you can also see the bus here. This is Taiwan Railway app, so you need this. You really need this one for traveling. So you can see here, I don't know if you can see it clearly, but you can see here the arrival time and how much it will cost you. So there, so it cost me $15, 15 NT to go to Taichung. See this? Oh, it's kind of blurry there. So you can see the train number, so it's 2163, and it will arrive at 12:10, and it cost $15. So of course, if you're traveling here in Taiwan and you really want to go around the city, you should need to buy this yo-yo card. You can buy this at 7-Eleven or Family Mart, and there. So you can buy this and you can load this. Any amount will do, minimum of 100 NT. So you need to buy this, then this will be your kind of payment for the train and for the bus. You just need to tap this card. It should be loaded, okay? So there, you really need this one. You can choose any designs, but you should you should know that it needs these four colors. Okay, not the 3 colors only. You need these 4 colors of the card, so you can use it anywhere. You can use this also at the bus, train, and U-bike. So I think the train is here. Oh, it's not. It's the train going to Taoyuan. That's not our train. So we need to wait for our train to come. So there, you should buy this card, yo-yo card. Okay. So as you can see, the red lights are lighting. Our train is arriving. So the number 2163 going to Taichung is arriving right now. So we're just going to wait here. So there is our train arriving. We just need to wait here on this arrow. So there. Okay, going to Taichung. So that's our train. Hi. Oh, there's so many people. So there. Let's get in. Open the door. No one's going out. There. Just going to stand. Just going to stand because there's no empty seat. So we arrived at the Taichung train station. There's so many people. So from here, okay. So from here, we're going to exit. We're going to the exit. Exit. Where's the exit? There. So we need to go to the exit. This exit, huh? Okay. This one. Not to the other side. This one. This exit. They have two different exits kasi. So we're going here. So here, so we exited, so we're going straight. We're just going straight. Okay, just follow the video, okay guys. So going straight, so you can see this Taiwan Railways bento there. Just go straight and you can see an escalator and a stairway down. So we're just going to go there. We're just going down to the escalator, then we're just going down and we're going to cross the street there. We're going there. So so there. So from that escalator, as you can see, from that escalator we're going here. We're going to cross here. Oh, there's no more time. We need to run. Yeah. Okay. So there. So you need to cross that crossing, and as you can see here, that's the Taroko Mall already. That's it. That's mainly it. So from the train station, I'm just going to cross, and then there you can see Taroko Mall. Can you see it? Go there. Taroko Mall. Ah, nice. Taroko Mall. So here we are. So that's the Taroko Mall. So you just need to follow the video so you can know, so you will know where to go and you'll never get lost. Okay, so later I'm going to show you how So later guys, I'm going to show you how to go to Lalaport because it's really near here. It's just a walking distance. So I'm just going to roam around inside the Taroko Mall and show you around. I think we can go inside and show you around. And next I'm going to the Lalaport. It's a mall too, just like Taroko Mall, but of course it's not the same, or it's same, it's a mall. But oh well, that's it. So we just need to wait. I'm just going to cross the street again. You cross. Just need to cross it. There's so many people looking at me right now, but I don't care. I'm just doing my business here. So there, we're going inside now. Ooh, so this is what it looks like. Taroko Mall. Eee. So this is the Taroko Mall, guys, as you can see. I need to use my wide angle lens so you can see wider. Right. So there's a slide. So let's get inside. Okay. So on the ground floor, you can see H&M, the body shop, and other shop, and the Apple store, and a watch store, and Disbelief. So cute suitcases. So the Apple store and Samsung and H&M. So as you can see, it's really small. There's only few stores on the ground floor. So we're going up. I know on the basement there's, if you want to buy food and you want to eat, you can go there. So I'm going to show you the basement of this mall. Basement 1. So here you can see here, but it's on Chinese. Haha. On the basement. I'm going to show you around. Don't know if my lens are dirty again. No. So here, you can see foods, of course. There are so many foods. Breads. So we're just going to walk around. I'm going to show you around. And on the basement 2, if I'm not mistaken, there's what do you call this? A grocery store. I forgot what it calls that. So there, as you can see, it's really cute because it's purple and pink. Two favorite colors. So there. So there's so many food you can try. So if you're craving for something and you're tired and you're hungry, you can go here at the basement 1 to buy food and rest. Okay. So This is what it looks like. Before, I know this wasn't the original. I think the original settings and the original design of this B1, but it was renovated, so it looks beautiful. So there, that's the 21 plus, my favorite. And here B1. Oh, B1, you can see the carrefour. And here is the Mr. Donut. So there, I think that's it. You can go up. Mr. Donut, Mr. Donut, Mr. Donut. Who loves donut? So I'm going up. So there. So it's really smaller, right? But there's so many stores inside, as you can see. So let's see what's the second floor looks like. I'm just going to roam around and show you around in this mall. Then we're going to the Lalaport. I'm going to show you how to go there, of course. It's really kind of awkward for me because there's so many people looking at me right now, but I really don't care. I'm kind of shy, but you know, let's get over it. So there, I'm here in the second floor, as you can see. So as I can see clearly, you can see clothing stores like Levi's, Edwin, Quicksilver, Playboy. There's so many. So then, as you can see, there's a Playboy. So I'm just going to roam around, and this cute Hello Kitty. And what else do we have here? There's a jewelry store. Mainly clothing lines. The second floor is for clothing lines, I think. So we're going to the third floor. Okay. ODPP FM. So this is it. This is mainly it, the second floor. So we're going up again. Oh, there, the second street. There. So I vlogged that one before. If you didn't have the chance to see my vlog inside this store, you can check that out. Second street. Okay, we're going up again. We're going to the third floor. So I think, as I can see here, there's a Uniqlo. So I think the third floor is for clothing line again. Clothing stores, I think. There. So the third floor is for clothing line again. Clothing stores. Ooh. So this is Uniqlo. Okay. Uniqlo. And net. Net. What else do we got? What else do we have here? I'm walking a bit fast because I really don't want to waste my time. So I just want to show you around. So there, you can see there, ABC Mart. There, ABC Mart. So the third floor is for clothing and shoes and for undergarments. So there. So you can see here ABC Mart. So there's a shoe store here. Where can I go up? I'm looking for the escalator. So there. As you can see, ABC Mart. So there's an ABC Mart, which is a shoe store. It smells so good. So there, we can go up here. So the Uniqlo again. Okay, we're going to the 4th floor. So I think that the fourth floor is cinema because it's dark. As you can see, it's dark. Oh, see that? So I think the fourth floor is cinema, if I'm not mistaken. So let's see if I'm right. There you go. Oh, it's really a cinema. So the 4th floor here in Taroko Mall is cinema. So if you like to watch movies, you can go here. You can watch movies too because they have cinema here. And the legendary Hawk, you can see there, the legendary Hawk. Ooh, wow. And this one. Okay. And that's me. Hi. So let's go up again. I'm going to the 5th floor. So we're going to the 5th floor. I can't see anything from here, so let's see. Oh, am I right? 5th floor, 6th floor. I'm sorry. So this is the 6th floor. So the 5th floor is cinema. I'm sorry, I'm wrong. So they don't usually use ground floor here. It starts from 1st floor. So the cinema is in 5th floor. So the 6th floor is this. Oh, the skating ring. So the roller, what do you call this? You can roller skate. You can roller skate here. So the roller there. Hanip na yan. So roller skates on the 6th floor. So you can see how much is it. There. Oh, it disappears. Oh, there. You can see the prices there. Maybe that's 90 minutes, 120 minutes, I think. I really don't know. So that's the prices. So it's in the 6th floor. So there. You can see. So whoever loves skating, rollerblades, you can come here at the 6th floor of Taroko Mall here in Taichung. So they have it here. Nice. So let's go up again. Let's go up on 7th floor. 7th floor. So as you can see here in the 6th floor, you can buy here those. Oh, acrylic. Nice one. It's so cute. It's so cute. Oh, keychain. So cute, right? Nice, nice. It's like Maxi. Maxi. So cute. Kawa. I really don't know how much per piece. So there's so many stores here with cute products. So many. So we're going up again. 7th floor. I'm getting tired already, huh? 7th floor. We're going to the 7th floor. So what's up with the 7th floor? Oh. Okay. So there. So 7th floor is for restaurant, I think, and games. If you love games, there. So this is for sports wear, I guess. Oh, nice. So there's Adidas, Skechers. What else do we got? So the 7th floor mainly for gaming, I think, and sportswear. There. So the 7th floor is for gaming. There you go. You can play games here. Whoever loves playing, you can play there. So there is support also. So that's mainly it. You can go up again. You can play dart. You can play that. And they have, what do you call this, baseball, I think, inside. So there. That's mainly it. So we're going up again. We're going to the 8th floor. Okay. So there. This is the 7th floor. So we're going to the 8th floor. Let's see what's with 8th floor. Oh, my camera is getting low. Hang on. We're almost done with the Taroko. So the 8th floor. Oh, Taroko Mall. So the 8th floor, let's see. What's with the 8th floor? So the 8th floor I can see is for furnitures, I think. So Nitori, you can see Nitori there, and Poya there, Poya. And what else? Other niches, other furniture stores. That's it. So that's all it. So Nitori is kind of huge. What else do we have here? Let's see. Oh, that's all. Okay, that's all in the 8th floor. More on furnitures and Poya and Nitori. So nothing much on the 8th floor. And 9th floor. What's with the 9th floor? Oh, okay. So in the 9th floor, you can see there's Daiso. So if you're looking for the Daiso, it's in 9th floor. Okay, 9th floor. So there. So the stores are closed. So there's no more stores here in the 9th floor. There's only Daiso. So let's see the 10th floor. Let's see the 10th floor if there's any stores in it. Let's see. Oh, so the 10th floor is for gaming again. There, you can see. Gaming. Taroko Sports. So if you want to go bowling, oh yes, bowling and billiards and gaming like arcades. It's in 10th floor. And here you can eat again. So there's restaurants here in the 10th floor. And here I remember this restaurant because we eat here before. It's only pizza, only chicken. It's so delicious there. So it's the 10th floor. So that's the 10th floor. And I'm gonna show you the view. The view from up here. So there, as you can see, so I'm in the 10th floor, so it's really high, as you can see. And you can see there the Lalaport, the green one. That's the Lalaport. That's where we're going later. I'm going to show you how to get there. There. That's the Lalaport. And yeah, there's a park there. It's so beautiful, right? So up next is the Lalaport. So let's go. We haven't gone to 11th floor, so we're going there now. Let's see what's inside the 11th floor, if there's any stores. Let's see. Okay, 11th floor. What's inside? Okay. A restaurant. So mainly for restaurants. Okay. There. Lanshanting restaurant. There. Restaurant, and this restaurant again. Good Day Pot. You can see. And the restaurant again on the other side. There's so many restaurants here in the 11th floor, but it's really like a fine dining restaurant. So if you want fast food, you can go in B1, basement 1. But if you want to have fine dining, you can go here in the 11th floor. I think this is what do you call this? Wedding venue, I think. There's a wedding nutritionist. So there. Okay. So the Orient wedding banquet. So it's for a wedding. There. Okay. So that's mainly it for the 11th floor. So that's it for the 11th floor. There's no more stores here. And you can see again the view. There's a view again. There! Ooh! Wow, it's so high. Oh my gosh. So nice, right? There, the Lalaport. There, as you can see, Lalaport. We're going there. Wow, you can see the mountains too, right? Oh, so beautiful. Nice. Okay, let's go down. So let's go down. So my video went 31 minutes. So So it's already past 31 minutes. So I think I'm going to make a part 2 of this video. So I'm going to show you how to go to Lalaport on the next video. So thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you like. Oh, where's the and I hope you like the tour here in here in Taroko Mall. So next video would be inside the Lalaport and how to go to the Lalaport. So there you go. So thank you for watching again, and see you on my next vlog. Annyeong!